Your main goals for the project?
Oh gosh, great questions. So we were really inspired to remodel our kitchen because we have two young kids. They're about 2 and 4. And our space prior was totally functional, but it was 90s, early 2000s. Some of the cabinets were kind of coming undone, and we really just wanted to open up the space to make it flow better, more functional. We wanted our kids to be able to do their homework at the counter or at the banquet table, and just have a better space for entertaining. We'll be here for the next 18 to 20 years, God willing, and just really wanted a warm, inviting space for many, kid applications as well as family and friend gatherings.